Hello everyone, my name is Malkya and today I have been given the opportunity to answer these questions. There is a global pandemic called COVID-19. It is a virus where people are dying from. Hopefully the spread will decrease down and it will be a thing of the past. In one hand, it is very boring because you don't get to see family and friends as you used to, and you're not able to go to places such as schools and churches. But on the other hand, I don't mind it because it is for beating coronavirus. What I like about quarantine is that I learn how to bake stuff such as cupcakes and biscuits. But what I dislike about quarantine is that it is very repetitive. There isn't much activities to do as before, and the fact that people are dying is very touching. I would feel really happy going back to school because I'll be able to see my friends again. But the only problem will be the social distancing rules, which will stop us from being close to each other. I think they can and they can't because we can only go to certain places such as food shops and to the park. But I think they can because they can take us on daily walks maybe, and we can like do activities every day, like yeah. Was baking with my brothers and also spending time with my family. When I'm concerned about something, I would talk to my brothers because they might have gone through the same thing as me, so I could ask for their advice.